Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Bridgerton look in 5 minutes. Starting off, let's apply a good primer so we have a smooth and moisturized base to work with. Smooth, soft skin is important for this look. Next, apply a concealer a few shades lighter than your skin tone and use it as a foundation, since in this era, flawless bright skin was key. For the eyebrows, use a light brown color. I am replicating Daphne's eyebrow shape by combing the hairs upwards and filling them in to appear straight. Her eyebrows actually really remind me a lot of Audrey Hepburn. Then use a concealer to shape and define them. Lastly, to make the brows match the hair color, you can use an eyeshadow that is the same tone as your hair and powder the color on top. Now for the eyes, Daphne is using a light orangey brown eyeshadow on the show, so I'm applying that just into my crease. Next, take a nude eyeshadow that has a bit of a shimmer and apply it onto your eyelids, inner corners, and outer corners for a lifted look. Now take a light brown eyeliner and line your top lashes very closely. You don't want the liner to be noticeable, as in this era, a no makeup look was the goal. Now, Daphne doesn't do a wing, but I did a very small one just to lift my eye shape and appear more Bambi-like. Next, apply a light brown eye pencil to your lower lash line. Again, be very gentle with it. Bonus fact, this is how Rose did her eye makeup for the film Titanic. She just used a darker eyeliner, so if you're going to cosplay Rose, you can follow this eye look tutorial. For the eyes, apply a nice even coat of mascara to only your top lashes. Make sure that it is not clumpy or too dark. Going back to the face, take a brownish pink cream blush and apply it to the tip of your nose. In this era, blush was a sign of youth and health, so they applied blush to many points of their face to create that illusion. Also apply that same blush on the apples of your cheeks. Pro tip, make sure you're using a cream blush, as a cream formula doubles as natural highlight that makes your skin glow. Lastly, for the lips, you can use any light pink color, but I decided to use a lip plumper to stimulate the natural pink color of my lips. So we are all done. I chose to throw on a very similar dress that I already owned and dark blue contacts to really emulate Daphne Bridgerton. Here's the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that way you can get more videos like this, and I can see you in my next video.